Hi all, what's up? Are you bored with your lockdown days? Anyhow, let us come back to school. This is your IT period. Myself Jamila Zubair, lesson 1, computer networks. You might have heard about networks, right? Let us define what is a network. A network is defined as a supportive system of sharing information or services among a group of interconnected people or things. What do you mean by network? Means it is a group, a system which is helping us to share information or services we require among a group or interconnected people or things. We use different types of networks in our daily life. You all know, you are very much aware of it. For example, radio and television networks. What are they? They are linked by the wire or microwave relay to telecast or broadcast the live programs across the world. Even you are now very much aware of the video conferencing and internet. That are the examples of networking. Now your virtual classrooms are the examples of the networking. What is a computer network? You understand a network? Now we are moving on to computer network. What do you mean by computer network? Computer network is a group of computers that are connected to each other through communication channels. For what? For sharing the data. Once again, computer network is a group of computers that are connected to each other and through communication channels for sharing the data or sharing the information. There are important terms which we should know about computer networking, and they are server, node. Now you will be wondering what is server. Okay, let us go for it. This is a picture of a computer network. Server. What do you mean by server? A server, this is the server. Okay. Now a server is a central computer or electronic device. It is a central computer or an electronic device that connects different computers, which is connecting the different computers with each other. It can also be used to store information that is to be shared by all the computers on the network. We can also store the information if we want to share the same information with others. This is called the server. And what is node? This is the node, picture of a node. Node is a computer or electronic device that is attached to the network. It is also known as client or workstation. It is a computer or electronic device which is attached to the network. It is also known as a client or a workstation. Now, what are the advantages of using this network? You will be wondering why we are using this network. You all know it very well. What are the advantages? Let us do it again. Exchange of information. Exchange of information means we can send and receive information without using the peripheral storage devices. Which are the peripheral storage devices? Yes, CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray discs, flash memory and memory cards. Without this, we can share our information. We can exchange, we can send and receive the information. Cost effective. What do you mean by cost effective? Since the computers are connected to each other in a network, we can share the computer resources also, such as hard disk and a printer attached to one computer. Suppose my computer is shared with every one of yours, and there is one printer and the printer is in my room. You all also can make use of it. This saves the cost of purchasing separate printers for each computer. Obviously, it will save money. Next one is communication. What do you mean by communication? Users of computers connected to a network can communicate with each other. I can communicate with you, you can communicate with me or your friends. This can be done by using email. You are much aware of email. and instant messaging services such as chatting. Nowadays we are computer based, our classrooms are virtual classrooms, online classrooms, obviously we have to use it. And even online meetings, your class parents meetings, it's going on online, and conferences can be held between the users connected to a computer network. Easy access and maintenance of information. Another advantage is easy access and maintenance of information. A computer network enables file sharing across the network. Suppose I have saved a file in my computer, that can be used by you also and by others also if we are connected to a network. This makes the information easier to use and maintain among the network users. So, what all did we learn today? Our lesson name is computer networks. What is the definition of a network? A network is a supportive system of sharing information or services among a group of interconnected people or things. Then how do we use? We are using in our daily usage, daily life. Example is radio and television, cable, and the most common one now is video conferencing and internet. Now, what do you mean by computer network? It is a group of networks that are connected to each other through communication channels for sharing the data. Which are the important terms? Server and node. What is a server? Server is a central computer or electronic device that connects different computers with each other. And what is a node? A node is also a computer device or an electronic device that is attached to the network. It is also known as a client or a workstation. And what are the advantages of network? Exchange of information, we can send and receive messages without using the peripheral devices. Then it is cost effective. If I have a printer, that can be shared with other printers too. And communication, we can communicate with each other, example email and instant messaging. And easy access and maintenance of information means we can share our file across the network. Thank you. Have a nice day.